All right, so we're gonna make pizza today. This is my little setup. We're gonna be making it in the Roccbox outside. Made the dough yesterday. It is 90% shepherd's grain, 10% whole wheat. There's 70% hydration. All right, so what I do, a little bit of flour on my hands. And these are pretty small pizzas too. I think they're 220 grams each. The original idea was to do a 2-day ferment with this. Instead, I decided I was gonna have some for lunch. So, might make 3 tomorrow, I don't know. Give some to the neighbors. I'm gonna have 1 for lunch today. This is all made for my starter as well. Kind of stretch it out a little bit like this until you can almost see through it. It gets a little bit transparent. That's about right. Just lay it flat there. All right, just comes the sauce. Don't like to put too much on here. Big fan of putting cheese below the toppings. I don't want to use too much cheese either, just because it can overwhelm everything else. Next, some salami. And I've got some peppers from my garden that I froze actually last year. They keep pretty well when they're frozen. Sea salt, some oregano and other stuff, and finally a nice little spicy olive oil mixture I've been working on. A little stretch, and then I'll go out to the Roccbox. All right, we're back. A minute or so later, and here's the final pizza. Kind of hard to see the underside, but I'll try. Looking good.